unboxing of Prequel. I was so excited when they reached out. What was that for? It's gone bad. I'm mad that I didn't take it. I don't understand. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. For those of you that know me, I'm sorry. And those of you that don't, my name is Adobia. And the people that know me are probably annoyed that I just got lost. Or they are excited to see me as am I. Oh my gosh. I have set up in a bit to trick myself to film today. What I have for you today is an unboxing of Prequel. I was so excited when they reached out. I have had this in PR for quite a while, I'm not gonna lie, but I was trying to make it through some products before I opened this, because I knew once I open it I'll be so excited and forget about the OGs that I'm still using. If you want to jump straight to the unboxing and first impressions of this product, I'll leave the timestamps below, but those of you that are interested in seeing the timestamps will be down below. Oh, look how moisturized she's looking. This is just a 20% vitamin C serum from Face Theory. I have been enjoying this. I had some burns recently on my arm. I don't know if you can see, and over here, and this spot was so dark, but thankfully this has faded it significantly in a short amount of time. I'm mad that I didn't take a before photo. I didn't know I was going to be talking about it. I wanted to wear this, but this is a very hydrating and quite thick sunscreen that I usually prefer for my body. I would use this on my legs. I wanted to use it for my face as well, but I'm already getting shiny as it is. Yeah, you know what? I'm going to do it anyway. It is so hydrated. It glides nicely and it's not difficult to blend. I'm going to use this as lip balm. Do you guys remember when we used to rave about this product? And for good reason. And I feel like it's a good investment even today. I've had this for a good 2 years, almost 2 years if I'm not mistaken. This bottle, and this is the small tab. It took me through a slugging phase when my skin needed some barrier loving. I use it as lip balm. Sometimes. I use it for my burns. I recently got a burn here in the kitchen on the same day. I don't know if you can see. And it came in handy just to soothe things and calm things down until I was able to use other products on it to try and fade them out. I'm not going anywhere. I'll be right back. Trust me. The mic is charging. I just happen to have a little bit of power from this one from a long time ago. If you guys want to see a review of some of the tech things that I have, I don't mind doing that, but I have not charged this in forever. And I opened this thinking that everything would be there, but one of them still happened to have power. Do you see the green? Is it green? Is it still green? Yes, it is. You see the green, it has a little bit of power in it, and that's what I'm using, but the other one is dead, and so I'm charging it right now. Charge backup batteries. I got you. I'm just going to run quickly, so for me, it's going to be like a couple of hours, but I will be back. I'll be back. Don't sweat. So in the 2 seconds that I'll be out running errands, I'd love to be friends. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, so that anytime I post, you'll be alerted, and I'll be right back. I'm back. A promise is a promise, so we are going to do exactly that. This basically just has the brand messaging. So we got 2 bottles of the cleanser, thank God, because this looks like it's going to run out pretty quickly. There is another bottle here, moisturizing milk. They are saying things I love because I have dry skin on my body. All right, so this is a skin utility ointment. There are 2 other products here. We have a soothing serum to comfort and soothe redness, and then we have here a Lucent C brightening serum. Now we'll talk about vitamin C later. So I'm running straight to their website to see what they have to say. I like the branding so far, the colors, the message. Now looking at the prices of the products, they have about 1, 2, 3, 9, 10, 11, about 16 products. One which is not yet available, which is the wide brimmed UPF 50+ hat. So sun protection hats. The price ranges between $18 to $28. The most expensive one being the rehydrating serum, the multi-quench rehydrating serum, and the least expensive. So the skin utility gel, for instance, is $18. The body wash, the cleanser, is for both face and body, is also $18. You know what? Let's compare this to Naturium. So Naturium is running a sale right now. Okay. But the body wash, for instance, is $16 for 500 mils of product, and their cleanser is $18 for 400 mils of product. So looking at it, it looks like Naturium is giving a little bit more value for your money. The Naturium bottle looks really big, but we're not talking about Naturium today, so let's move on. This is $18 for 400 mils of product, or 13.5 fluid ounces for those of you in the US. So do the math, what makes sense to you. The first product I have here is the Redness Reform Soothing Serum. This is 30 mils of product. Benefits are to optically reduce redness and irritation and helps restore lipid barrier. So barrier loving product. It is fragrance free for those of you who care. I love to have quite an experience with my skincare, so I'm not mad at it, and I don't react terribly to fragrance. I don't react to fragrance at all. Now this bottle feels quite heavy, like glass. I don't think I'm going to be losing this cap anytime soon. Also, I like the quality of the packaging, so I see why this is soothing. First of all, I like the glide. The texture is very lightweight and it glides so easily and so nicely. At the touch of the skin, it feels cooling and it is very soothing. It is fragrance free. It is hypoallergenic, as it should be, non-comedogenic, allergy tested. To say in one breath that something is hypoallergenic and allergy tested, that could have been 1 point. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 10 points. Okay, but some of them could have definitely been, you know, compressed into others. But hey, it's marketing and you have to do your job. The ingredients, the star ingredients here are oat kernel extract, arnica, and an active molecule that is found in licorice, which should help soothe the skin. The next one is the Lucent C Brightening Vitamin C Serum. Now, I used to be that girl. I am that girl that used to say that, oh, vitamin C is great, but there are better ingredients. Yeah, that's not a lie. There are other ingredients that will help with your skin needs that you want vitamin C to do for you, but vitamin C is making a point, and I get why some of you loved it so much. I understand. I've never bought a vitamin C product in my life, but all the ones that I've had, you know, even if they haven't impressed me so much, there's a minimum level of results that I get consistently with vitamin C. So I'm excited to try this one as well. Similar packaging and all of that. Oh, the other cap felt more secure than this. I don't know why. And I've got a bit of spillage of the product. I don't know if you guys can see. Let's see what it looks like. What was that for? It doesn't smell like it's gone bad. It smells like a vitamin C product, as they all do. They all have this smell. Or maybe because the product is runny and it's not like the other serum, but I don't understand. I just don't like that first introduction. Anyway, so it says it improves brightness, firmness, and elasticity, hydrates and supports the skin barrier. Apply a few pumps, follow with moisturizer and sun protection always. It reminds me of a particular vitamin C product. I just can't remember which. But what I like is that it comes with ferulic acid, niacinamide, and inulin. Inulin really helps with hydration and all of that. I like that the vitamin C is reinforced here, so I'm excited to see how this goes. I'm just not excited about the pump. Let me just be honest. This is one that I am a little bit excited about because it is giving me healing ointment vibes, but with a little bit of I think I've seen multiple versions of this product on their website. One moment. So there's a skin utility gel, which is multi-purpose lightweight gel that moisturizes and helps restore the skin barrier while protecting dry, chapped, cracked, and irritated skin. Then there's the skin utility balm, which is an occlusive balm that moisturizes and helps restore the skin barrier while protecting. So the same thing, just that this is occlusive. That's the balm. The gel is lightweight and the ointment is midweight. I like the tube, but I like that it is not metal, so it's like this. When I saw it, I literally thought it was going, I don't know whether maybe because I was seeing this, but I literally thought it was going to be like a metal tube. So I like that it's not metal. I like the color palettes that's running through. Okay, since we have the healing ointment here, let's just take a look at both of them side by side. So looking at this, look at the Skin Utility Balm. It's not gritty, it's smoother. It's a much smoother consistency. But take a look at this one. Do you see it looks quite like it's a bit gritty? I mean, obviously once it touches the skin, the heat, you know, melts it out, but this feels like a more smoother consistency than this does. Glides better than this. This doesn't feel the same. I actually prefer the texture of this better than this. I still love this though, and this would work anywhere, anytime, any day. This will definitely give me more product. This 85 grams of product, and this is 56.6 grams of product. My skin is just so vulnerable to everything, so I'm going to love having this around in my stash. Now to the body care products. I like the bottles and the packaging, but see, it's picked up so many fingerprints already. This is going to be a pain to film once I'm doing my B-roll. This is 400 mils of products. I would have wished they would have tipped it into 500, but I have a big hand, so this looks like a small bottle to me. And most of the shower gels that I use are upwards of 750 mils. Least is usually 500 mils. So 400 mils feels like a small bottle. I like how it looks and all of that, but I don't like the fact that it is so shiny because it's going to pick up prints. I can only give you a review on a cleanser after I've felt how much it lathers, what it smells like. Lastly, we have the Urea Advanced Relief 10% Urea Moisturizing Milk for face and body. I have dry skin. Dry skin. So we'll use this and see how moisturizing it is on the skin. Any product here that you would like to see an in-depth review of, kindly let me know in the comments, and who knows, it could be the next video. I have an in-depth review of a sunscreen that I really loved and you guys also enjoyed. I'll leave it somewhere on the screen. If you have already subscribed, I love you so much. And if you are not, I think you should subscribe. You can do that right here somewhere on the screen, but YouTube thinks that you should watch this video next.